How to shut down your VPS forcefully or gracefully SolusVM. Log into your SolusVM control panel. There is more than one server. Click to select the server you want to shut down. Click on the Shutdown option and confirm it. It may take a few seconds to shut down. We have successfully shut down the VPS. It was a graceful shutdown. To shut down forcefully using the command line, log into the SSH client you have. Type the command power off and press enter to execute it. We have successfully shut down the VPS. Thank you for watching.